Today we're going to take a look at the F6F Hellcat from In Detail and Scale by Bert Kinsey and Chris Sackle. I hope I said your last name right, Chris. This is the Detail and Scale series, volume number 10. It's a soft-covered book. It's more of an overview than a review because if I go page by page, then you'll be able to just read it on here, and we really want you to have this in your hands. So it's soft cover, very nice detail on the front, goes right into the table of contents from your introduction to your modeler section. And yes, there is a modeler section in here to tell you about what kits are available out here. You're going to have color and black and white pages, a bunch of historical photographs, and then it's going to go into detailed drawings of the plane, and these are in 1/72nd scale. You have a whole bunch of those. And then it's going to go through all your variants of your Hellcat, and it's going to have more pictures, F6F 3N, color picture drawings over here, and then I wanted to jump through really quick again to show you that it's got the color schematics or color drawings, black and white actual photos. A lot of actual research went into this with museums and interviews and stuff like that. The Blue Angels, and this one was interesting to me. I didn't know about the Hellcat drones, and you could build one of these up, red, yellow, blues, whites. They had a whole bunch of them. You have schematical drawings of what's inside the cockpit, which is very cool. And then you have your foreign Hellcats over here. This was cool, an interview with David Campbell, the US Navy's all-time leading ace. Then you have pictures of McCampbell. It goes into Hellcat details for the cockpit, fuselage details. The book is just full of great pictures and high-quality pictures of the plane. This way you can check it out and you can update your plane to look like an actual Hellcat. You got the tires that are bulging out because it's weighted down. That's one thing I wish kits would actually do more, is put weighted wheels in there instead of just pure round wheels. You have the engine details. Here's one of those drones it looks like, because it's all in red, which is pretty darn cool. I like that. More regular drawings and photos of the Hellcat itself. Drones and non-standard paint schemes it goes into. And then towards the end of the book, you have the modeler section. It goes through older kits, and it goes through tons of scales from 1/205 scale, which I've never heard of before, 1/19th scale, 1/100 scale, 1/96 scale. Goes through Frog made them, Fujimi, Matchbox, Lindbergh, Aurora, Sanwa, Tokyo, Palmo. You know, some of these companies I've never heard of. And then it goes into the more recent kits, starting with 1/44th scale, Platts, Revell, Academy in 1/72nd scale, Dragon and Cyber Hobby. It really goes into detail of how many kits are out there, who made them, and a write-up on the kit itself, which is cool. Then 1/48 scale kits, and then finally 1/32nd scale are bigger kits. And again, it goes Hasegawa with a write-up, Trumpeter. Who else makes them? Oh, actually, I forgot 1/24th scale. 1/24th scale kits. And that's a big Airfix 1/24th scale kit. And who was this by? Matt Porter. Matt Porter built this one. I don't know Matt, but he did an awesome job on this build. And then in the back, it tells you more of the books they have, and then it goes on about the authors. And then finally on the back, it has a beautiful picture of the interior cockpit of the Hellcat, which is really nice. So it's just a quick overview to show you what's in the book. It's a really nice book, very well made, nice cover, nice paper in here, excellent write-ups. And these will actually be on sale on our shop, shop.hobbylinkinternational.com. Once they're in the shop, we'll post and let you know, and hopefully come over and pick some of these books up. Well, thanks for stopping by and checking out the book with us. Like I said, it's just a quick overview of the book, because if I put every page, you're going to be able to read it and not have it in your hands. It's a very nice book, and as again I said, it's going to be on our shop, so if you haven't, come check out our shop. Shop.hobbylinkinternational.com. The link is in the description below. Not only will we be selling books, we also have resin pieces for 1/48 scale planes. We also have green strawberry and our lighting kits, which are a lot out of stock right now, and that's because of the chip shortage. If you enjoyed this video, please hit a thumbs up on it, help it spread throughout YouTube, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come check out our live shows for your chance to win some prizes at the end of every month. All right, everybody, take care of yourselves out there. Be good, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, and bye-bye.